Let's head to the North Bay, to the Guerneville area. School district has been canceled all classes today because of local flooding related to the storm. And our Shawn Chitnis is nearby reporting neighborhoods are flooding from nearby creeks as well.
The water is starting to recede this morning, but it is too late for some of the residents that live in this Guerneville neighborhood. Take a look at what is still part of the challenge at this hour, as there is plenty of water surrounding the homes and the cars in this neighborhood. We know that folks were getting door knocks early in the morning from the sheriff's office as well as the fire department asking them to evacuate, many of them doing that. Others telling us that they showed up and saw that the water was starting to enter their homes, and one family even having to evacuate, try to bring as many belongings as they can, walking through water that reached their knees. And we just heard from a woman who had to leave, came back this morning, unsure what her home would look like.
Trailers aren't cheap, rent's not cheap, things are bad, and the fact that, I just went through this maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and I was lucky enough to get my trailer out that time, but not this time. I wasn't home when the flood happened, so starting over is going to be bad.
And she tells us that after scoping out the area, she was able to see that her home will be okay. The water did not get inside. There will be some damage in the surrounding area and some work to do, but at least this time she doesn't have to deal with the flooding that so often people in this area face year after year. Once again this January, hoping for some help, but still feeling like there isn't anything that they can do and that the state or local agencies should be doing more to help them deal with that flooding.